Flagship feel, lightning fast charging and a camera that shoots 4K from both sides. All under Rs 28,000. This is the Vivo Y400 Pro, and in today's video I'll tell you whether it's just hype or the real budget flagship killer. The first thing you will notice, this phone is gorgeous at just 7.58mm thin and around 182 grams of weight. It feels premium in hand, and that 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display, chef kiss. 120Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits peak brightness, visible even under direct sunlight. Now what about the performance? Yes, under the hood it's powered by the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 7300. Apps open fast, games like COD Mobile run smoothly at 60 FPS, and day-to-day performance, no lag at all. Now this is where Vivo flexes. A massive 5500 mAh battery with 90-watt FlashCharge. You go from 0 to 50% in just 19 minutes, and a full charge takes under 50. Say goodbye to charging anxiety. Now directly jumping towards the camera part, it has been packed with rear 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor. On the front, you get 32 megapixel, and yes, both support 4K video recording. Rare at this price point, but sharp images, natural colors, and perfect for vloggers on a budget. And coming to the portrait, Vivo has absolutely killed it. Now on the software side, Vivo's bringing AI tools like real-time translation, document scanning, voice transcription, and even a smart assistant. It's trying to be more than just a phone, it's an AI-powered daily driver. Also, phone has some amazing features, looks, but wait a second, it's not that perfect phone because there is no ultra-wide lens, no IS, no micro SD slot, and some might not love the curved screen due to glare or mistouches. So now coming up to the conclusion part, starting at Rs 24,999, on the Vivo you get 8 plus 128GB variant. At 26,999 you get 8GB plus 256GB of storage. The Vivo Y400 Pro delivers style, speed and smart in one polished packages. If you love flagship looks, fast charging and front-facing 4K, this might be your next upgrade. So at the particular price point, I would say this is one of the best phone, but still miss a lot of things. But at the end, it's all about your choice, what you really want or what you don't. So if you're really interested in this phone, the links are given in the description, you can check it out from there. But before leaving this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share button and subscribe button for more such exclusive content. See you guys in the next one.